So I am making a video about an interesting, shall we say, denture repair technique that I just came up with. Essentially, we had a patient who had upper and lower implant dentures, and the incisor ledge of the upper right tooth fractured off. And ordinarily, one option would be to send this back to the lab, have the upper right tooth removed and replaced. And I thought that would be a bit of a waste. And that's why we are trying a different technique, which is to mill a piece of hybrid ceramic. So in this case, I'm using lava ultimate. And then try and essentially glue the missing tooth, or the missing section of the tooth, to the incisor ledge, and create something like that. And so, let's see if it works. First things first, I just identified the fit surface, which is always a bit of a challenge to identify. And Lava Ultimate protocol dictates that you initially sandblast the fit surface of both the piece and the fit surface of the denture. Now that is done, I'm going to dry the fit surface of the piece in 100% alcohol, and again the denture. It's amazing how 1 minute is a lot longer. There we go. That's it. And that's why we use a timer, so that I never go in too quickly. Alexa, timer off. And then dry that off. And let's get out the very, very tiny piece. And there it is. Some silane. On the fit surface. Some silane. On the denture. Again, air dry to get rid of the solvent, and then some adhesive, whatever adhesive you have. And let's just put in this filter. Really thin layer of adhesive. This is where I wish I had a second pair of hands. But anyway, we'll get it sorted. Again, adhesive on the fit surface. I'm sure you all know and can recognize just how difficult it is to control this. And then, for me, I think the easiest thing to do would be to put the adhesive on the denture tooth. And remove the excess. And there we go. That's the excess coming off. Good. And there we are. That's it. Certainly is firmly attached. It's not coming off at all. I'm sure you know that there were no retentive elements on this denture tooth. I'm just going to do a bit of polishing afterwards, and then that's it. But that's not bad, is it? Question is, how long is it going to last? Well, quite honestly, how long is a piece of string? I only came up with it, so I'll let you know how long it lasts for. Okay, thank you very much.